Good morning, this is Margie here from Nature Health. This is one of the videos in self-healing. There are so many people affected by issues of the heart. And the heart is also very much attached to emotions. So when one is in grief and sadness and deep in those emotions, it can certainly affect the heart. Sometimes it might be a big fright that you have, a fright being a death in the family or something of that nature. Or you have heart palpitations or fast beating heart. All of those issues you can address with lots of natural options.
With the Patreon platform, I am able to bring to you Qigong classes live, or you can do your practice using the recorded version. There's Tiandi, Shubashu, and Mawangdoi.
But with all of these self-healing, don't think that you can do everything. You do need to still talk to, consult with your healthcare practitioner. Let them know what you're doing in addition to what they are suggesting you should do. This is supplementary work in self-healing to support whatever it is that you are already doing. Our Grandmaster Zhao, who trains us in the Tiandi Qigong school, he says, all the medicine you will ever need is in your body. You just need to learn how to use it. If you would like to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you're welcome. And any questions, you can just fill in the section below. With the heart, we have the heart meridian, which is on the outside of this finger, and it's running right up here to here. So it's coming up like this. So like with the other areas where we have to activate a meridian, we can activate it by just scrubbing it with our nails all the way up, all the way up. We can cup it. And that's why when we cup 1, 2, 3 under the arm there, that is the heart meridian. That's actually where it starts and runs down the arm. So cupping is fabulous. We've seen this before when we've activated other meridians. Take some beautiful chopsticks, chopping up and down. You can use your scraper, whatever you choose for your scraper, as long as you activate the meridian. Now, for the self-healing, it's important to clean the heart. So we want to actually get rid of any sluggish energy. So take it out. Just cleanse the heart. Take it out. Just drop it off. You're scraping it out, releasing it from the body. And then once it's gone, once you've cleared it, and remember, as we've talked in many of the videos, it's not only just the action, it's the breath work, breathing in and releasing. Breathing in and releasing. We're activating, we're getting this beautiful warm palm energy. And we can put Laogung upon Laogung. Laogung is that point in the center of your palm. And you cover the palm so you've got the Laogung on top of Laogung, and take that energy and cover the heart. And you're breathing in beautiful, warm, healing energy to your heart. This is probably the most beautiful, loving thing you can do for yourself. When you love yourself enough, you're giving yourself love. Self-love, self-healing. It not only can heal the emotional aspects, but the physical aspects as well. Now, you're not going to find this next little point in any particular book or anything. But this first point, the first joint of your baby finger, if you just take your thumbnail and you press in there for 7 seconds and release. It should be quite painful. Press in and release. Press in and release. So someone who's having heart palpitations or who's having a fast beating heart, this is the first thing you should do before you do anything else. Because you might not have your medication with you. You might not be close to a doctor. 3 times. Now, on the inside of your middle finger is your pericardium channel. So for this particular exercise, we certainly use the pericardium channel as well. So you're activating the channel, and then you're going to do exactly the same. You're going to press on that first joint and release. Press on that first joint and release. Press on that first joint and release. And again on the other side. Both hands. Fabulous. I hope that's given you some little tools that you can take with you anywhere. Well, if you like that video, please click the like button. I bid you a fond farewell and have a fabulous day.